Okay, so in this last example here, we're going to look at f of x equals 4x squared minus 7x. And we want to go through and we want to find the derivative. So just to refresh your memory, uh, remember that the derivative rule is limit as h goes to 0 of f of x plus h minus f of x over h. Now this one's slightly more complicated in that our function is made up of more than one piece. In the other examples we did, it was just a single piece. But other than that, nothing is going to be different. We have limit as h goes to 0 of f of x plus h. So that means we're going to go into our f of x function here, and we're going to replace the variable every time it occurs with x plus h, with x plus h. So we're going to have 4 quantity x plus h squared minus 7 quantity x plus h. So there's f of x plus h. And then that's minus f of x. So minus quantity 4x squared minus 7x. And then that's going to all be divided by h. All divided by h. Okay, so everything there now is going to be divided by h. And now we just have to go through and start doing some work. Now, there's a lot of work here, a lot of simplifying. I want to cut down a little on the writing by noticing here that, remember, x plus h squared is x plus h times x plus h. We've done it in like 3 examples now. X plus h squared is x squared plus 2xh plus h squared. X squared plus 2xh plus h squared. And then that's going to be multiplied by 4. I want to go ahead and write that out so I didn't have to write the whole thing over again. So when we multiply by 4, that'll be 4x squared. 4 times 2xh will be plus 8xh plus 4h squared. And then 7 times x plus h minus 7x minus 7h. And then we have to distribute the negative sign through the 4x squared minus 7x. So that'll be minus 4x squared and then plus 7x. And then all of that is over h. So take a deep breath. Maybe pause for a minute. And kind of collect ourselves. That's a whole lot there. Fortunately, a bunch of stuff disappears now. Right? The 4x squareds go away. The 7x's go away. So that now, although there's still a bunch of stuff left in the numerator, every one of those pieces of that bunch of stuff have h as a common factor. And so we can factor out that h out of the top. And when we do, we're left with 8x plus 4h minus 7. We took an h out of all 3 of those pieces. And then that's all over h. And so finally, the h's can cancel out, getting rid of our zero factor. And now, finally, we can allow h to become 0, giving us the derivative of f of x equals 4x squared minus 7x to be 8x minus 7. 8x minus 7.